This is a one-bedroom villa here at Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Today we'll be staying in room 1545. Let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our one bedroom here at Boulder Ridge, the first thing you can see is this mirror and shelf with some hooks that you can use for bags or keys. To the right is this closet. Some sliding doors, big empty closet, no hangers. It does come with a laundry basket for you to use. Immediately next to the front door here is the thermostat for the room. And then we're gonna walk on out here to the living room and kitchen space. Off to the left, you're gonna have a little booth here with enough room to sit 2, maybe 3 guests. Comes with 2 chairs and a nice table, chandelier above the table, and then some nice, beautifully themed artwork themed to some Pacific Northwest regions with some Disney flair. You have Whispering Canyon, a nod to the restaurant in the main hotel. You got Brownstone National Park with Humphrey the Bear. Lake Elias, which of course is a nod to Walter Elias Disney. And then Big Basin National Park with Goofy towing the little trailer from the Mickey's Trailer short. Across from this table is going to be your kitchen area. You have a full kitchen in the one bedroom villas here. You have a sink here. Next to the sink, they do provide you with a dish towel, some dishwasher detergent, a sponge, and then some hand wash detergent. You have a roll of paper towels available. Underneath the sink, you have a trash and recycling can. You have a residential style dishwasher available for you to use during your stay. And then up on the counter here, you do have a multi-purpose Keurig with K-cups and a 12-cup coffee maker. Your in-room provided coffees, K-cups, creamers, sugars. You do have some disposable cups as well as some stirrers. And then the cabinets above the coffee maker here are going to have some bakeware and cookware. There is also some stuff tucked away in the back corner there, like a cheese grater. Next cabinet is going to have all of your porcelain dishware. You have plates, small plates, bowls, wine glasses up top, and then you have some serving dishes as well. And then the next cabinet over is going to have all your drinkware. You have your hot drink mugs, you have your standard drinkware, some kids' glasses, and then some smaller glasses. You have an ice chest available for you if you would wish to use the hotel's ice machine. You do also have a toaster available for you to use. Down here, there are some drawers and cabinets. This one on the left here has some cooking utensils, and then this one right here has your regular silverware. Underneath here, you have some extra dishwashing stuff. You have an extra roll of paper towels, a sink stopper, you have oven mitts and a cutting board. And then the next cabinet over has a saucepan, a stock pot, and a standard pot. Nice oven and range setup here. They do provide you with another towel. Microwave above the stove and range. Cabinet up top with nothing in it, just additional storage. And then another cabinet right above the refrigerator here. Again, with nothing in it, just for additional storage. This is a full-size residential style refrigerator and freezer. No built-in ice maker here. They do provide you with one ice tray. And then as we make our way across from the kitchen here, we have the living room. Off to the left is this nice little sofa. It comes with 2 thematically styled pillows. This sofa does have a Murphy-style bed built into the back here. We'll show you that at the end of the video here. It does fold down and convert into a queen-size bed. To the left of the sofa, you have some shelves, one with a nice terracotta style art piece. And then down here, you have a Hey Disney device, 2 USB-A ports, and then a light switch for these little spots here. Now on the right, you have an in-room phone, and then you have another terracotta style pot right up top. This ottoman here does move freely, so you can move that around the room wherever you'd like. You have a coffee table with a Disney 100 Years of Wonder book. The coffee table does open up here. Kind of turns into a little bit of a desk. And then inside the coffee table is some extra storage with your extra pillow and blanket for this room. Across from the couch here, you do have some drawers available for you to use. They are a little bit shallow, but they do serve a purpose. You have some empty shelves there, large countertop space, and then you have 2 bar stools here to sit additional guests. And then empty cubbies over on the right here by the Keurig machine, again for additional storage. You have a nice, beautiful 65-inch TV in this room, which is resort and room specific. And then to the left, there's an additional door. If you were to book this room as a 2-bedroom lock-off unit, this would connect to the adjoining studio to add a 2nd bedroom per se. On the side of this little countertop and drawer space, there is another set of 110 outlets. This is the only USB-C in the room, right here. You have a USB-C and a USB-A. So if you're not looking for it, it is hiding from you. It's on the side here, to the left of the big TV. Attached to the living room, we are on a 1st floor room, so no balcony. You do have your own little private patio space. You have 2 chairs and a table. You can walk on over to the left here is where the master bedroom's patio is going to be. We're gonna walk right on over to our other little patio here. And then here we have the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom in this 1-bedroom villa does have a king-size bed. You have 5 pillows to choose from, as well as this decorative pillow here with Chip and Dale silhouettes. Our bed did come with this little hidden Mickey towel set. You have a hand towel and then 2 washcloths. On either side of the bed, you have a nightstand available for you. This nightstand over here has this nice little lamp that you can turn on and off using the switch down here. Has your in-room phone, and then in the back you have 2 110 outlets and 2 USB-A ports. Drawer up top has a Bible. Drawer on the bottom has a lot of nothing. The headboard on this bed does also include reading lights that turn on and off when you stow them and bring them back out. Across from the bed, you have a 55-inch screen TV with that same software as the living room. On either side of this dresser, you have 2 110 outlets and 2 USB-A ports. A lot of drawers in this dresser. It's an 8-drawer dresser. The most drawers that I've seen in one of these Disney DVC rooms. So that's very nice, especially if you're spending a long time here. You have a chair to the left of the TV and this little drum-styled table thing. You have a floor lamp behind this chair with 2 lighting features. This switch here will turn off the main floor lamp. And then you have another one of these little reading lamps here that you can turn off with the switch right up top. We're going to move over here to the right of the TV. You do have a little ottoman here to help you get ready in the morning. Nice big mirror right here. And then underneath the ottoman, you have some additional storage as well. This bed does have a raised platform so you can store luggage underneath. And then the nightstand to the left of the bed, again, has another one of these lights here that you can switch on and off from the bottom. You have another reading light built into the headboard. Another pair of 120 outlets and USB-A ports. This nightstand doesn't have any drawers, but it does have a nice little cabinet that you can store additional items in. We're gonna make our way out of the bedroom here into the master bathroom. Now you have a 1-sink vanity here in this bathroom. They do provide you with sea salt body lotion and bath soap, a box of tissues, 2 hand towels right up top. Nice big mirror with sconces on either side. You have a set of 120 outlets right off to the left here, a lit makeup mirror, and then a hand towel here. The vanity does also have a drawer here on the left. This drawer has your in-room hair dryer. Some additional towels. You have extra tissues and toilet paper, a small waste basket, more towels, and then an empty drawer for additional storage. To the left of the vanity is this huge bathtub. It is not an air jet tub, it's just a standard bathtub. You have towels available up top here. You have a bath mat and then some sea salt bath soap down there in the corner. And then you are overlooking this giant, beautiful mural of Mickey and Minnie canoeing through the wilds, assumingly at Grizzly Peak, a nod to Over to California Adventure in Disneyland. To the left of the vanity is a walk-in closet. This walk-in closet does have its own little light switch right outside here. You have an additional extra pillow and blanket. You have your iron and ironing board for the room, hangers available for you to hang up clothes, an in-wall safe down to the bottom left, and then a luggage rack. Now this is a split style bathroom, so behind this door here, there's another door. This door leads you back out to the living room, but this is the toilet and shower room for the one bedroom. You have this nice beautiful glass wall shower here. They provide you with a shower mat on the handle. Gorgeous walk-in shower with wall-mounted sea marine conditioner and shampoo and sea salt body wash. You have a nice little cubby here that they provide bar soap for you, and you can store some additional soaps and shampoos there as well. Two styles of shower head you can use. You can use this giant rainfall shower head, or you can use this handheld. The controls for that are right here. And then you do have a clothesline available in the shower for hanging up wet clothes or bathing suits. And then this portion of the bathroom does also have another one sink vanity. They provide you with sea salt body lotion and bar soap, another hand towel, another nice mirror, two washcloths, and then underneath you have two bath towels, extra toilet paper and tissues. To the left of the vanity is your toilet. Nice little piece of art depicting some deer in the woods. Wastebasket down there, and then some more bath towels right there for you. Now right outside the bathroom back here is going to be your laundry closet. You have a stackable washer and dryer here. They do provide you with some laundry detergent for you to use during your stay. Here is what the living room looks like with the Murphy style bed pulled all the way down. You have plenty of room to move about, especially with this coffee table moved out of the way. A lot of room to get on out to your patio or your balcony. You do have a wonderful little mural here of Mickey and Pluto sleeping. Mickey ate some beans, so Pluto's in for a long night. There is a little light switch over here mounted to the left you can use to turn on and off this little accent lighting right up top. So that is the one bedroom villa here at Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. For one night during a weekend in the beginning of May, this room is 34 points. If you enjoyed this room tour and would like to see more like this in the future, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central for more Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Disney Vacation Club content, as well as more Walt Disney World Monorail project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.